Hi, this is Kapil. Let's make an interesting dessert of apples and sago today. With the velvety mouthfeel of sago and freshness of apples, it's a must-try dessert. So first, for apple sago kheer, I'll add full-fat milk into a deep pan. And first I have to wait till the milk boils. So let the milk boil and come to apples. Grated apples with peels on. So we'll take another pan. And any Indian dessert is incomplete without ghee. So into the pan I'll add desi ghee and keep stirring milk in between. It should not stick at the bottom of the pan. And once ghee is hot, I'll add grated apples and little sugar. Now I'll cook these apples in ghee till the moisture is almost gone. Kheer has reached the desired thick consistency. Next, I'll add sugar as per taste and mix it. So next what I'll do, I'll let this apple filling cool down a bit before adding into the milk because I don't want to take any chance that milk will curdle. So let it cool completely and by then I'll make this kheer even more creamy by adding cream. Just mix it and cook it for a minute at low flame. Let's make the kheer more rich by adding some dry fruits. Here I have chopped cashews and chopped almonds. Just mix and kheer is almost done. So switch off the flame and let it come to the room temperature or at least till it is lukewarm. And after that I'm going to mix this apple into the kheer and then it will be called Apple Sago Kheer. So till then, let's wait. I let the kheer and the apple mixture to be cooled down completely and the kheer is cooled and so is the apple mixture. Now is the time to mix these two together. And a good pinch of green cardamom powder. Mix it well with the kheer. So apple mixture is mixed well with the kheer and now the final step, plating. So this apple sago kheer is done. Next, let's make it a little pretty by adding few strands of saffron on top. And this apple sago kheer, a unique dessert, is ready. So do try this quick and easy dessert of apple sago kheer. It is so rich, creamy and delicious. And share your feedback with me. Till then, take care. Goodbye.